Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OnPay employee self-service, check payroll online step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred internet browser. In the search bar, type the URL for the OnPay employee self-service portal. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate box. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, look for the login button and click on it. Wait a moment for the system to process your login request. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your employee dashboard. Here, find the section labeled Payroll or Pay Stubs. Click on that section to access your payroll information. You should now see a list of your recent pay periods. Select the specific pay period you wish to review. Your detailed pay stub will appear on the screen. Take a moment to review the information provided. If you need to download or print your pay stub, look for the respective options. When you're finished, log out of your account for security. Close the browser window to complete your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.